Hello everyone, Nos Alligator back again. So, for those of you who have been here for a little bit, you may have noticed this kind of setup. Today, we're doing an audio test again. Cause last time, apparently, it's either last time one of my radios was apparently on the bad side. I had a 6550 with a failing microphone, and kind of made some people mad. So yeah, we're doing it this time. Let me explain what you're seeing here. So, first up, you have the not Astro Saber, just normal Saber. Um, that's going to be analog, of course. We have Tetra using an MTP 6650. Shush. There we go. We have for DMR. Oh my gosh. Hang on. I've got a. You're in range. Shush. There we go. Hopefully, I can just. Yeah. So for DMR, we have a 7350. That's also going to be doing Wave on Cloud. I'm adding that in today. For iDen, we have, as I was saying, for iDen, we have a R765IS as usual. For P25, we have a Motorola XTS 2500. And for SecureNet, everyone's favorite, we have an APX 4000. So yeah, on with the show.
Alrighty, folks. So today we're going to be starting out with iDen. On the transmitting side, I'm using an iDen i355 transmitter. This is in direct talk mode, not direct connect. Hopefully, one day, I'll be able to do that test. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear. This is on the transmitting side. I'm using an SL7550E model. And on the receive side, as I said before, it's a 7350E. And this is using AES encrypted Moto Turbo DMR stuff. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. Next up, we have Tetra Dmo. This is not using a repeater this time. This is just normal back-to-back. It doesn't make a difference, I can tell you that. I'm using a Sapura STP 9240 for the transmitter. And on the receive, we have, yet again, the MTP 6650. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear. Right after that, we have P25. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, P25 conventional. This is back-to-back simplex, no repeater, no any of that, non-encrypted. And the transmitter side, I'm using my APX 8000 HXE with no noise cancellation enabled for this profile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next up, we have analog only. This is pure analog from one end to the next, save for all the DSP stuff that the Astro radio I'm using is doing. I'm using a APX 8000 yet again, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear. Alrighty, sorry for the long MDC tone. Not entirely sure why it does that, but okay. So, this is SecureNet. Hopefully you guys can all really hear the beauty of its vocoder. All its very understandable ness, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Click. Next, we have Motorola Wave on Cloud. This uses a basically Zello-like service, except for you can use it with dedicated radios or directly on Moto Turbo radios, hopefully Apexes. Probably not. On the transmit side, I'm using the SL7550E again, and yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.